Hi, my name is Narendran. I'm from Dell Networking team. Today I'm going to show you how to create VLANs on the S-Series switch running OS 10 firmware. Show VLAN is the command to verify the existing VLANs on the switch. To create a VLAN, we have to get into global configuration mode. Interface VLAN 10 is the command for creating VLAN ID 10. VLAN 10 has been created. To verify the same, execute show VLAN command. We can see VLAN 10 created here. We can also create a range of VLANs. We use the interface range command for creating a range of VLANs. We can see the VLANs that I have just created. Thank you.